Bonnie, happy Saturday night. I am just on my way to the virtual Avon Visionaries convention, night 2. I am so excited, you guys. They're revealing all of the holiday stuff tonight at 7. If you're not in my Facebook group, I'll put the link below. Join my Facebook group because I'm going to reveal everything that's happening for the holidays. You know, I'm a holiday girl. So I'm so excited about that. Avon is doing an amazing job. LG Household actually purchased Avon this year, and they are doing such a good job at the Avon convention. I didn't win, but they actually gave away two $10,000 LG appliance packages. I'm like, oh, I really want that. That would have been amazing. But there's all kinds of giveaways, so I'll let you guys know if I win anything. But if you want to sign up for Avon, now's the time to do it. It's free to sign up. All the holiday stuff's coming out. Super exciting. But today, real quick, I haven't done an Avon video in a few days because I've been so busy with this convention. I wanted to review for you real quick the Avon Cucina dishwashing liquid. I love this stuff. Oh my gosh. So let me read this. One is lemon verbena, and then we have garden basil. It says the ultimate clean grease cutter effectively removes old grime and stains with citric and micro bubble. It's highly concentrated. This stuff lasts forever. Mild gel leaves surfaces spotlessly clean. It's free of 6 chemical preservatives and biodegradable for safe use. Both safe for kitchen and environment. It's eco-friendly. It's 100% plant-based surfactants. I'll have to say this is made in Korea. This is one of the Korean products that LG makes. And I'll have to say this is absolutely my new favorite dishwashing liquid. I get about, and I use a lot. I mean, I am not kidding you. I am terrible with dishwashing liquid. I'm just like, pour it in. They're $6.99 each. I go through about one every campaign, but we have 4 people in our household, and we're doing a lot of dishes. I don't use my dishwasher, so we hand wash everything. So I probably use a little bit more than most people. Garden basil smells so good, you guys, and so does the lemon. The lemon's a little bit stronger. I absolutely highly recommend both of these. I will put the links below. What's also nice about these, if you're ordering during the campaign, you spend $60. You get free shipping. If you're a rep, you do have to pay the shipping. Just to let you know, if you join, you get a discount, but you have to pay your own shipping. Whereas if you shop with me, you get the free shipping, and I cover the shipping. So it's good either way. So anyway, if you've tried the dishwashing liquid, oops, I got the back, you guys. Let me know. I absolutely love this stuff. My new favorite Avon product. I also got today. I gotta show you guys this really quick. I got past the rum cake. This was left over from last Christmas. It smells so good. I got this one. I think these are $13.99. These are coming up in campaign 20. I think they might be on the site now, but they're clearancing off a lot of the old holiday stuff. Oh my gosh. My favorite though is this mocha merrymint, not mocha peppermint. It's actually mocha peppermint, but this one is so good, you guys. I will be doing soon the holiday goodbyes that are coming up in campaign 20. You're not going to want to miss this. There's lots of sales stuff coming. So anyway, super exciting stuff happening at Avon. I'm going to put my Avon hat on and head over to the Avon Visionaries convention. Cross your fingers I win something. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.